This brand is made by Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls. They are made in America and sold through a factory-authorized dealer network. The units use stamped slotted panel construction, which is cheaper but does not protect the condenser coil, as well as units with louvered panels. They have durable powder coat paint and are field convertible from slab mount, side discharge, to roof mount, down discharge. All of the units have variable speed blower motors for quieter and more efficient operation, and they offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 25 kilowatts. The PHE4 models are basic 13.4 SEER 2 efficient units, while the PHE6 are premium 2-stage heat pumps with a 15.2 SEER 2 efficiency. They have a 69 decibel noise rating, which is about the same as a standard washing machine, and the guarantee on the units is only average without a unit replacement guarantee in case of compressor failure. All of the units use R410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HVAC Repair Guy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HVAC Repair Guy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HVAC Repair Guy YouTube channel.